What's going on, everybody? Are you in the market for an everyday carry folding knife? Well, look no further than the Kershaw 1776 Link. I've had this for 9 months as my everyday carry, and it's probably one of the dopest knives I've ever had. So stay tuned. I'm going to go over some facts about the knife, the cost, what I've been using it for, and why I choose a folding knife versus a fixed blade knife as my everyday carry. So stay tuned and find out. Alright, everybody, so we're going to get right to it. This is the Kershaw 1776 Link. So as you can see, it has a anodized aluminum cover. This is like a military green. The clip here just says Kershaw on it. Fantastic function inside the pocket. It barely feels like anything is in your pocket. It's very strong. After 9 months, it holds up. It's easy to take out, put back in, and the mechanism here is so smooth still after 9 months. I've been using this every day, so opening boxes, doing basic homeowner things, working outside with it, cutting zip ties, doing this, doing that. Every day, and the blade is still very sharp. It's 20 CV steel. You can see the top here has a nice head, very, very thick, so you can even use it sometimes for, don't recommend it with a folding knife, but batoning. It's made in the USA. Feels amazing in the hand. When you're using it, and you can precision use. It's a fantastic knife. It's $97 on a lot of websites. If you look at my waist, I have fixed blade knife. This is a Benchmade Puko, and you could notice it, right? This is noticeable. Even if it was up here, it wasn't like a hang low thing. If it was up higher, you still got a bulge, you still have a fixed blade on your waist. And walking around the city, it's not something you want eyes drawn on you. I sort of follow that kind of gray man kind of thing, where I just want to get to work, get back, not deal with anything, or go to the store, get back, not deal with anything, or some random confrontation. And having something like this, or this is my Bark River, it's very noticeable. But then if you take a look here, all you see with the Kershaw is the clip. Very, very concealed. I keep my car keys in this pocket with it. I don't have a problem going in and getting my car keys. And the knife is very good hung to the outside of the pocket. And it's so easy to take out and put back in almost with one hand. This pocket's a little loose, so it wasn't like a tight, but like with a jeans pocket, boom, it goes right in, one-handed. Out and back in. There you go, one-handed. And then this Benchmade Puko is a really, really, really good knife, but I just don't want to walk around the city with it attached to my hip and just people seeing it and whatnot. And if I'm upstate, if I'm hunting, if I'm practicing some bushcraft skills in the backyard, yeah, I'll use this to beat on it. But this is just everywhere I go. Always have it. So I recommend it. Everyone should get one of these knives. The Kershaw 1776 Link. I think there's a few types, but this one just looked the best to me. And right here it just says Kershaw on the thing. Little locking mechanism there, bringing it down. Fantastic. Alright, thanks everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video on the Kershaw 1776 Link. Please like and subscribe for more content to come.